Okay, what's going on with Bitcoin right now? What's going on with cryptocurrency markets? Because we are crashing fast. We broke 21.5K support on Bitcoin. Now we broke 20K at the time I'm recording this video. What's going on here? Well, technically, we were actually waiting for this big move. We actually made a video talking about big move that's gonna happen soon. And if 21.5K broke, we're looking at the low 20K level. Now, don't worry. I know you want to know the news. I'm going to tell you the news in just 1 second. I just want to give you a quick technical perspective. We also said that if 20K broke, we're going to probably go down to the 18K level. This is because there's a big range from 18K to 25K. It's split in two, and we're trading within that range. Now we broke down to the lower range. Now, this all sounds very boring, very confusing. People want to know what's happening in the news, even though the charts kind of like foretold this. Like chartists, we're chilling. Okay, one reason is because of the stock market, and that's because of the jobless claims. Now, even though that's rising, and that could be bullish for stocks, it also shows some complications with interest rates. Now, they want to be hawkish with the interest rates. This kind of conflicts with what's going on with the economy. It's like a double-edged sword. So there's a lot of confusion, there's a lot of fear in markets right now. The second reason is Silvergate. Silvergate is in trouble, and Silvergate basically is a gateway for cryptocurrencies. They are the leading bank until now for cryptocurrency on-ramps. Now, another reason is a Silicon Valley Bank. They're having trouble. And there's kind of a bank run right now for people trying to take out money from Silicon Bank. The issue with that is Silicon Bank does support and credit a lot of these tech companies, so people are very spooked and scared. This has also led for other banks to be in trouble, even though they arguably already were. But deposits are down since 1948, meaning consumers are just not trusting banks anymore. I wonder why. Then you have Biden talking about a 30% tax on crypto mining. Now, this doesn't mean it's going to be implemented 100%, but just the fact that he's talking about it is spooking the cryptocurrency market. Then he wants to raise capital gains tax to 40%. That's 2x. That's double, from 20% to 40%. This means whenever you sell something that you have profited from, whether it's cryptocurrency or other investments, this means you have to give 40% of your earnings. That's huge. Especially for America that's not used to tax like this. Then we're going to go on to KuCoin being sued in New York, and the Attorney General claiming that Ethereum is a security. Now, this is the first time that somebody's claiming openly that Ethereum is a security. Up to now, we assumed and thought it was a commodity. And it still is in the most part. But you have the SEC claiming that everything except Bitcoin is a security. So the SEC is on par with that. The SEC thinks Ethereum is a security, likely. But you have the CFTC, which is a sister company, saying, no, Ethereum is not a security, it's a commodity. Then you have Huobi FUD, Huobi Exchange, went down 70%. I think it's up like 20% now, so 50%. But you have that FUD going on. Then you have the Ethereum staking unlocking period. You have the Mt. Gox news. You have all that other news that everyone's talking about. Well, people are scared. And there's one more piece of news here. Whales are dumping altcoins, certain altcoins. And if you want to know which altcoins they're dumping, because these are going to go down a lot more, make sure you watch this video right here. And if not, make sure you watch this video suggested by YouTube right here. Subscribe down below. See you in the next video.